Let, let's see about how to edit the LinkedIn profile URL more professionally. Okay. Okay, open any browser, whether it is Google Chrome or it. For me, I use Microsoft Edge browser. Okay. Go to LinkedIn. Okay. Sign up or sign in whether you have already an account. Okay, I am signing with Google. Okay, then navigate to your profile. Okay, then on the right hand side you can see the public profile and URL. Okay, there you click the edit option, it will be redirected to the another website. Here we can see on same right hand side we have option called edit your custom URL. On here we can edit our professional URL, okay, or custom URL. Make it more professionally. It have conditions like custom URL must be 3 to 100 letters or number. Okay, www.linkedin.com class IN means India. Oh, I am from India, so it is India. Then class. Okay, it is static one. We can't change it. After that, we can do anything we want, but make it professionally. Okay, for example, for my GitHub account also, like GitHub, for me the GitHub username also Harichselvam. So I given my LinkedIn also Harichselvam, even though my mail ID also harichselvam@gmail.com. So hence make it professionally that it looks better on while reflecting on resume, so that you can easily edit your LinkedIn URL, make it professional and unique. Okay, don't use this as like on mobile phone we have here a share option, then don't use that. Okay, you don't use that. Copy from here. Okay, copy from here, it will be redirect directly to us. Okay, it will be redirect directly to our profile. So use this URL. Okay, thank you.